So we are in the key of F. So in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Okay. The sixth chord is also called the La. Okay. So on the La chord, I'm doing the D, I'm doing the A, I'm doing the D. Okay, the left hand. Right hand is doing the B solado, then straight to the 5. Okay, so the 5 chord, we are doing the C, the J, the C. Right hand is doing the J, C, E. Right? Then here we are doing the B flat, F, then B flat and D. This is the chord they use for the verse, so let's sing through. So that is that for the verse, okay? From the 6 to the 5 to the 4. I hope you got that. So let's check the "you are good" part, okay? So I think that's the chorus, okay? So we did the verse, now the chorus. It goes from a 2. If you can stretch, you can do this. Then you add. Okay? Then you do the 5. So the 2, the 5. Alright. Then here you do the 1. Alright. So we have the 2, the 5, the 1. Then we are doing the 7. Okay. The 7, however you want to voice it, you can basically do or. So that is up to you, okay? Then from the 7, you are going coming to the 6. The 2, the 7, or you can basically make it a 5. Then the 1, 7, the 6. Alright. So let's try to sing it. So you are good, you are kind, you are faithful, we praise your name. Okay, so that part, the 2, the 5, 1, 7, the 6. Then basically the verse will start, okay? And the last part we'll be looking at, okay, so the C and bonga part, it started off from the 6. So basically I have the 6th chord, okay? So the melody is on the D. So we voice the 6th chord like this. Okay, so the 6th, I have the D, I have the A, I have the D on the left. Right hand is doing the F, A, and D. Then the 5. So the 5, I have the C, G, C. Right hand is doing the E, G, C. Then I'm doing the B flat, F, B flat, F, B flat, D. So basically I have the 6, then the 5, then the 4. Basically that's it for the C and bonga part. So let's sing through. C and bonga, C and bonga, C and bonga, C like this is coming your way, okay? But